Royal Banks of Missouri is about 50, almost 60 years old now. We're a little over $1 billion in asset. We serve the St. Louis metropolitan area, St. Charles, and then we also have rural branches in Northeast Missouri, which is up near Hannibal. And then over in Illinois, we have 2 locations in Granite City and Jerseyville.
In 2021, we acquired Saints Avenue Bank. The ability to leverage what they were doing with Hawthorne River was what was one attractive factor in the acquisition. And really going cradle to grave, as they refer to it, from application all the way through loan booking and working through a very efficient process for loan origination was something that was very appealing. Leading up to that, we had processes outside of the system. We had a lot of communication that was happening via email. We had documents saved in many different places. Looking at the efficiency and streamlined nature of the system was really appealing to us.
The staff, it was taking almost 2 hours. And we're talking about commercial loans, so it's a complex loan. And we've got the efficiency down to about 20 minutes.
That integration with CSI was really critical, and that was, the system does work with other cores, and it works very efficiently with other cores, but as a CSI bank, before even the acquisition took place, that was a big factor for us.
It just helped us because there's so much integration that they're so tightly wound, which you don't see. And Scott touched on, we were doing things in 4 different places, where now we're able to do it in one, and we're going to pick up even more efficiencies because as we book loans, they'll automatically flow to the core from Hawthorne River.
We can send a link to a client. They fill out the app. They log into the portal, set up their account. They can fill out the application. They can upload documents securely directly to the portal. It all flows then into Hawthorne River. And for renewal and modifications, the collateral is already built out in the system, and so you're just pulling information that's already in the system and not having to rekey everything. So as the process can go more efficiently and smoothly, we have full visibility within the system for the people that are in the system, from the relationship managers that may be talking to the client, all the way through the application process, into the credit approval process, into the pre-doc review to make sure everything is there, and then into documentation, into funding.
It comes down to community banking. Hawthorne River understood community banking as CSI understands community banking, so that made it a perfect marriage.
I've met with various clients that they've been talking to in the prospect stage. As you talk to people and hear about the challenges that they have in their workflows and everything, consistently, I think they see the message, of what the system can do for them. So, I highly recommend, strong consideration.
Hawthorne River fits the little bank and it fits the bigger bank, so it's a good tool and a good product to have for your bank.